got a mission for y'all. We're gonna go attempt to wash Mistress. Now, it's been some months. Follow me. Come on. Shh. No keys, quiet. She gotta approach from behind. You know what I mean? What up?
There go that dirty son.
There goes that dirty hole.
Very, very dirty. We're gonna attempt to wash it.
This is Mistress.
Check the inside.
Alright? I'm going in. Oh, that's a dirty hole. I'm gonna need some protection. I'm gonna need some help for this one.
I'm gonna need some safety glasses for this one. This one looks crazy.
And we're going in.
Oh! Oh!
Watch out now.
Beware! We got tools!
Oh, tools? Just in case I gotta need a little
fixing.
everywhere.
She is a hot mess. She's a wild one. She's a wild one.
Yeah, you know, party nights.
I think
somebody left their jeans in
she
there.
ate someone's foot. They left one shoe.
I'm trying to find my Cinderella.
She's swallowing things. She didn't even let them finish their food.
We got Cheetos for later, you know. Let's go around to the back. Lift it up. That's Queen Bee. She's going in.
Sunglasses.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. Yeah. But they fought with expert time. Sammy Chung. He said, here comes the big boss. Let's get it on. We took the bow and made a stand. Started swinging with the hand. A sudden motion made me skip. Now we're into a brand new trip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they did it with expert timing. Oh yeah. some of the work gets kinda hard. And this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash.
Now that was hard work. Woo! Satay is clean. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! It's all about teamwork. We finished that. Hey, Family Allegiance Entertainment coming soon. Starlagie, Mr. Nims, Queen B, B-Raw, and Nick. That's the squad.
Nyasha Harris.
Hey, on the beats.
Hey.
And it's a wrap.